Aloha everybody and welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 75 and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. Do you ever have those days when you don't feel like talking? I had one of those days very early on when I first started the show, and I'm having one of those days today. I don't really have anything to say. But I am out for my walk, and I'm delighted to have you along joining me, and Lexi. So we're over at the Kauai Nui Marsh, which is a beautiful, beautiful place, and it's very cloudy. It might drizzle a little on us today. But nonetheless, I hope you enjoy the walk with me and a few moments of quiet meditation for yourself. Aloha. Get off your leash. Hold still. Hold still. Okay. Normally my mind is filled with a million thoughts. I wake up in the middle of the night with thoughts. I'm just constantly buzzing. So for me to have a moment where my mind is actually empty is something that I really treasure. So I would like to thank you for letting me, coming along with me today while I indulged myself in that extra special treat. So thank you so much, mahalo nui loa, for joining me today. If you'd like to Skype the conch shell, it's Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call us, the phone number is 949-544-1456. Aloha.